Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Cliniko Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on your sidebar and you click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you like to install and you click on it. From there, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. The second tab is the tutorials tab, which contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up the application. The next tab is the setup tab, and this is where we set up the application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Cliniko account online and click on your profile. Next, you click on My Info, and in My Info, you scroll down and you allow yourself to create and use API keys. Toggle it on. Next, click on Update, and you fill in your password and you click Update User. When that's done, click on Manage API Keys, and you click on Add API Key, give it a name, and create API key. From there, copy the API key and head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click on Complete Setup. The application has been connected successfully. The next tab is the Support tab, and this is where you can create tickets or book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. Finally is the changelog tab, and it keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.